Hey everybody, Chris Scott here, Keller Williams. Just want to give you a quick update on the Ottawa real estate market. Some interesting numbers coming through from the start of the year to the end of May. One of them I'm looking at is the amount of sales in our marketplace. When you look at this number, you're seeing it fairly close to where we were last year, slightly ahead, but a little bit below the 10-year trend line. And then you look at new listings coming to market and you're seeing that there are a lot more listings coming to market. So that's been really interesting to see. A lot of sellers feel like it might be a good time now. Prices are still relatively high in historical standards. So some people are cashing out. Some people find mortgage rates to be high. So maybe they're selling as a result of that. And of course, there's a lot of people with life changes that need to sell. And what I'm finding is, on the ground, there's about 2.3 months worth of inventory, which should essentially be more geared towards the seller's market. But I'm finding it more balanced than that on the ground, because I'm finding it's almost like two different markets. You have a market where sellers are pricing it well and right off the get-go, and those houses are selling really fast. And sometimes they're selling in competitive situations. So that's one market. And I'm finding there's another market. I've never seen so many sellers price their house above, and sometimes way above, where it actually should be. Now, I don't know if they're either testing the market or they're seeing where houses were selling for 2 years ago and thinking that that's where they want to be, but I'm seeing a lot of price reductions on that side of the market as well. And eventually ones that need to sell, that have to sell, will come down to a range where buyers will buy it. But sometimes they'll actually be getting less money because they haven't priced it right off the get-go, and they're sitting on the market for a longer period of time, which doesn't necessarily look good on the MLS. Anyways, if you're curious to know what's happening in your neighborhood, I've thrown a lot of information at you. Please feel free to reach out to our team. We're always happy to help. Thanks, everybody.